Hello everybody, good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome to today's Chit Chat Get Ready with me. I am feeling very good this morning because number one is Saturday. I got to sleep in today since it's Saturday, so it's about 10:15 in the morning right now. And I usually, let me make sure my microphone is on. Okay. I usually film these videos at like 6 in the morning before I go to work. So today, with it being Saturday, I do have to go out. But I can, take my time today because it's the weekend. So, and I already had my cup of coffee, so I'm like really like awake right now. So how are y'all doing this morning? What do y'all have going on for the weekend? I have to be somewhere about 1 o'clock, and I should be back home by like maybe 6 or 7. I do this every day. I left my sponge in the bathroom. I'll be right back. So yeah, I should be back home by like 7 o'clock at the latest. I might get home a little earlier than that. And I think tonight, like I wouldn't call myself like a couch potato, but I seriously don't mind just like spending a Saturday evening on the couch. And that's definitely what I'm going to do this evening. One of the places I have to go is ShopRite, the supermarket, if you're familiar. So I think I'm going to pick up some microwave popcorn. Somebody had microwave popcorn at work yesterday, and it smelled so good it made me want microwave popcorn. So I think I am going to pick up some popcorn, and I'm going to come home, find something to watch on TV, and just sit on my couch and relax and watch TV for the rest of the evening. And I'm looking very forward to that. Tomorrow I've decided that I'm going to spend a big chunk of tomorrow trying to learn YouTube analytics, because I haven't really done that since I started on YouTube, and I've been doing this for like 8 months now. Wow, that's a long time. I started doing videos in January. So I think I'm going to spend a good chunk of tomorrow trying to learn Google or YouTube analytics. Like I really don't know like if I'm doing okay for like the size of my channel. So I believe I have like 325 subscribers right now, and I think per video I would say that I average maybe like 30 views per video, and I don't even know like if that's like a good number per the number of subscribers that I have. So for instance, I did go to Nikki Tutorials channel a few days ago, and I picked her because I think out of all of the YouTubers that I follow, particularly the beauty YouTubers, but I think in general she has the most number of subscribers out of everyone that I follow. And she's at about like 10.5 million subscribers. And I looked at all of the videos that she did like in the past month, and she has the most viewed video that she has is like 3.5 million views or something like that. So for her to have like 10.5 million subscribers, it's not even like half of the number of subscribers that she has that's watching her videos, it looks like. And we know that, not every single person who subscribed to your channel is going to watch your content. Like, we already know that. So my point is, like, I don't even know if like the ratio of the number of subscribers to the number of views per video was like normal for my channel size. So I feel like I need to start trying to learn those things, because I just haven't really done that since I started YouTube. I'm still to the point where I'm just like just doing what I can and mainly just having fun with it. So yeah, of course I want my channel to grow, but I just haven't had the time to look at my analytics is my point. So I think I'm gonna spend a big chunk of tomorrow doing that. One of the things I'm thinking about doing, I might look into this tomorrow. I'm thinking about switching from Android to Apple. And just saying that is kind of scary to me. So I actually used to be a Windows Phone user, and I know there's not very many. I think Windows Phone is actually pretty popular in some other countries, but in the United States, Windows Phone doesn't seem to be like an option. Like, people don't even talk about Windows Phone. But I had a Windows Phone for like a couple of years actually, and I switched over to Android because I actually think Windows phones are really good for like business, but the apps got on my nerves with Windows Phone. They were just like very poorly constructed, I guess. So yeah, I did eventually switch over to Android, and for like the first month or so that I had an Android, I was so irritated because I just felt like I couldn't learn how to operate the phone. And there are some things that I was able to do on my Windows phone that I couldn't do on Android, and I was just frustrated. But you know, eventually I, got the hang of it, and now I can operate my phone just like normal. So I know that if I switch over to Apple, the same thing will happen, like eventually I'll just know how to work the phone like the back of my hand. But it just seems like it's going to be like a huge learning curve, and I don't want to do it. If any of y'all have switched from Android to Apple, let me know what your experience was. Were you able to just like dive right in and use the phone with no problem, or was it a huge learning curve? The one thing I don't like about Apple is that simple things like a phone charger with Apple, they don't have like universal stuff. Like, you know how with Android phones you can buy like a universal charger. I just wish that you could switch your chargers interchangeably between iPhone and Android, but Apple comes across as like, if you want to use our products, you have to use like these specific accessories, which kind of turns me off a little bit. But anyway, let me know what your experience was if you switched over. If I do switch over, I'm most likely gonna switch my laptop also, because right now I have a Windows laptop, and either way, most likely I'm gonna buy a new laptop before the end of the year. So if I switch my phone, I'll probably just switch over to a Mac. And the good thing about me switching to a Mac is that I'll have iMovie. Right now I'm using Filmora to edit my videos, which I do really like, but I've been thinking about getting a Mac just so that I could get iMovie. But if I switch my phone, which to me is like two totally separate things, if I switch my phone, I'm definitely gonna end up switching my laptop as well, just so that they can sync up. So okay, y'all, that's all I have to talk about today. I'm gonna go get my day started. This video is probably going to be uploaded within the next hour or so. It's like 10:30 now. So this video should definitely be up before, let's say, 12 noon. And just so you know, in general, when I do these videos on the weekends, they may end up being a little bit longer because I have a little more time to spare, but they will probably be uploaded a little later in the day just because I don't have to get up as early. But so this video is going to go up within the next hour or so, and I am going to be publishing another video later on today. It's going to be my August 2018 BoxyCharm unboxing. So make sure you have my bell clicked on so that you'll know as soon as that video goes live. One thing I'm thinking about doing, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but so far this is working for me to do these get ready with me's every single day. But there will be some days here and there where I'm not going to be leaving the house at all, particularly on the weekends. Usually on the weekends I am going somewhere, but yes, there's going to be some days here and there where I'm just going to be in the house all day, so there's no need for me to put on makeup. So I was thinking I might eventually transition to doing these morning videos just Monday through Friday, and then not do them on the weekends. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I'll have to think about that, but just to give y'all a heads up on that. But anyway, make sure you look out for my video later on this evening. I'll probably publish it around like 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. So whatever y'all have going on today, I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a very blessed day. Be productive, whatever you're doing. Even if you're just sitting on the couch today, not doing anything, resting, to me that is productivity too, because sometimes we need to just take a load off and rest. So whatever y'all got going on today, I hope that y'all have a good day, and I hope to see y'all back here tomorrow. Take care, y'all. Bye.